Let's see. 2 of them. That's a good size one. I think I'll keep that one. That looks better than my first one, I think. Hey guys, welcome back to the Triangler. It is May 30th, 2026, and I'm out here out of Newport Beach. It is a little after 6 o'clock, about 6:30 actually. And it's an awesome day. There's virtually no swells. It's like a lake out here. Just behind me there's some fog, but nothing around here. It's just no wind. It's perfect air temp, probably the low 60s. I just put in my fish finder, so the water temp may be warming up, but right now it shows at about 59 degrees. And today we're going to target some rockfish. Hopefully a sheephead. Last time I was out here I got a nice sheephead. I'm going to go back to that spot and see, and then kind of go from there. So anyways, thanks for tuning in, guys, and let's get going. All right, guys, try to turn so don't get the sun in the camera, but this is the first drop. Gonna try a different spot right now and see how this goes. I'm in about 180 feet of water. 180 feet is a long ways, so let's speed this thing up. There we go, finally. Rockfish spots are tricky because the fish hang out of rocks. And the rock pile could be big and the rock pile could be small. And what I'm finding on my fish finder is this one's kind of small. Okay, so we'll see. Oh, there's a hit. Something on there. Feels pretty good, whatever it is. First fish of the day. First drop. First fish. We got a nice worm. I think I'll take it. It's a good sized worm for here. Surprised, I was fighting the whole way up almost. Get this going. Yeah. It's a good size for this. How's that? Sorry I'm in the sun. Try to get moved over here once I get my net untangled. Let's see. How's that? Without the sun in there. Gonna block the sun. First rockfish of the day. I'll take it because I don't know if I'm going to get any bigger. Dispatch him. And bleed him. There we go. All right, guys, on the board. Let's see what else we got. Move just a little bit different, but again, it's a small spot, so I don't know if this little bit will make a difference or not. Okay. Feels like a rockfish because now it's not fighting much, so getting near the top. It is a whitefish. Look at that. Look at that. A whitefish. How's that? A little small, let him go. He's not got any barrow trauma. Whee! There he goes. This time I'm going to put on a little piece of shrimp. I've got squid on there right now. And we'll see how this one does. What have I got? 2 of them. A little bit smaller. But I'm gonna let these guys go because they're a little bit too small for me. little bit too small. But we got the doubles. Little doubles. Time to descend. When you rockfish, you need a descending device. So here's one I got. You can make them, you can buy them. This one I actually got for free because in Oregon, you can apply to, I think it's a fish conservancy, and they'll give you the little dropper here. As you can see, I'll put the fish through the spike and drop it down with, I think this is a 2-pound weight. As soon as I get to the bottom, pull out, give a little pull, fish slides off, and they're back home. Now what I use to descend, if I can get it here, is I got an old telescopic pole with just a cheap reel, and all I'm going to do is just put on my descending device, drop it down, and go from there. But this pole's nice in that it doesn't take up a lot of room. All I got is braid on here. Again, it's just makes it easy to kind of maneuver, if you will, and store. So I got my fish, got my descending device, make sure it's in free spool. There they go. Back to their home. See, so just a little telescopic pole that I just kind of cut off. Again, it's a cheap one. Just drop it down on my fish finder, make sure they're down there. So get down to the bottom or near the bottom. Put it in gear. Give it a couple tugs. Make sure the fish come off. And there you go. And now we wind it back up. And it's a good sized rockfish. There we go. Another one. Another one. Good size for down here. I think I'll let him go as well in case I catch another one. You can only keep 2 vermilions. A few years ago you could keep 4. Maybe in the future we'll get that rig a little bit higher again. Anyways, there's your vermilion rockfish. Now let's descend them. Oh, there's a good one. That's a fighter. That feels like a sand bass or something. And we got, nope, a big sand bass. This is a big one. The big boy. Whew. Look at that big old sand bass. Man, that's a big one. Get him going here. Yep, both hooks. How's that? That's a nice one. Give him a quick measure and drop him off. Do this. He's about 16. 16. It's fun. All right, change locations. Now I'm going to try for some sand dabs. And yes, I've got rockfish on, so I can only use 2 hooks. So I've got basically a little sand dab or sabiki-ish type of rig with 2 hooks. We'll see. Could take a while. But I haven't fished for sand dabs in a while. See how this goes. Let's see. Probably a tomcod. 2 lizardfish. Well, so much for that. There you go. There's beauty there. And here's the other one. Oh! Haha! 2 sand dabs. Now we're talking. It's good. Oops. Do this. Spool a little bit. There we go. 2 of them. 2 sand dabs. All right. Lizard fish and a sand dab. 1 out of 2, I guess, isn't bad. Let's see how successful I was getting sand dabs, or not, for the remainder of the day. I think a sand dab came off. Jeez.
Let's see what I can see. There we go.
There we go. Whew, you've seen. There we go. The tom cod came off. That's not what I wanted. There's one. On. All right. Don't want this. Good one. There you go. There's your sand dab. Well, I ended up with a total of 16 sand dabs. That, along with my 2 rockfish, made it for a very successful day out there. Thanks for watching, guys, and if you haven't yet, please like and subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next one.